Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a game changer for anyone serious about car detailing or polishing setups, the Dirt Lock Pad Washer Bundle Complete Kit. This thing is a complete game changer when it comes to keeping your polishing pads clean and ready for action. First off, let's talk about convenience. This kit makes pad cleaning an absolute breeze. No need for external power tools or complicated setups. Just attach your dirty pads onto the hook and loop handle, plunge them into the pad washer, and watch as it quickly and gently cleans them within seconds. It's like giving your pads a gentle hand wash without any risk of damage. And speaking of damage, that's another huge selling point for me. The Dirt Lock Pad Washer mimics a gentle hand wash, so you can rest assured that your pads are being taken care of. Say goodbye to prematurely worn out pads due to improper cleaning methods. This thing really does extend the life of your pads, saving you money in the long run. But it doesn't stop there. The Dirt Lock Pad Washer Bundle isn't just for polishing pads. You can also use it in your wash bucket to filter your water and prevent swirl marks and scratches. It's a versatile tool that's a must-have for any detailing enthusiast. Overall, I can't recommend the Dirt Lock Pad Washer Bundle Complete Kit enough. It's convenient, gentle on your pads, and extends their lifespan. If you're serious about keeping your car looking its best, this kit is definitely worth the investment. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.